This 2025 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 300 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features a CASINO DECOR interior, sleeps 10, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, external shower, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 300 BHS is 6,297 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.